Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2016 Ford Fiesta SE. Coming in this nice orange coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.6-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a rear wiper, got a nice little roof spoiler. We do get this nice black trim on the vehicle, which adds a nice pop to the orange. Heated door mirrors, got some lights on your mirrors as well with mud flaps on the front. Got a nice black hood deflector, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got hooks, doodads to hold your gear down. You can add a privacy screen to it, split folding rear seats, and of course you do get your storage underneath with your spare tire. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. You got a carpet interior, floor mats in the back. We do get some storage cup holders, 12 volt, and all that fun stuff. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You got your mirrors, windows, all there. Lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 109,416 kilometers. We do have this leather-wrapped steering wheel with your cruise control, the nice little Ford logo. You have your volume, voice, phone, playback, play forward, volume. You do get cup holders with some ambient lighting. Got some aux, USB, 12 volt sync, parking brake, gear select with your speeds. Little storage here with some heated seats, and there's your ambient lighting that you can change to. Your climate controls are just conveniently right there. Hazards, you can lock your doors from here as well. Got your radio, media, phone, sound, media. Oh, menu. Toggle view screen, CD, little number keypad, little storage cubby up here, storage below. And look in here, you can go through trip, distance to empty, fuel economy, and all that fun stuff. And we're just going to go through here. So we have a radio. Oop. Oh, let me just turn that down. Bluetooth, sync, sound, menu, and all that fun. And we're just going to scroll down through here, and you can go through all the different settings. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7795B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.